Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will compare achieving mastery in Excel versus the exceptional skill of Zidan in football. We'll explore how different forms of excellence are cultivated and demonstrated. While seemingly disparate, both paths to mastery share core principles of dedication and strategic application. We'll delve into the distinct attributes that define each domain, from analytical precision to athletic artistry. Let's uncover the essence of these two remarkable forms of expertise. Let's examine the core attributes. Excel mastery demands a sharp analytical mind, capable of dissecting complex data and building efficient models. It's about logical precision and understanding how over 100 functions interact. Zidan's football brilliance, conversely, highlights incredible physical coordination, spatial awareness, and split-second decision-making under pressure. Both require a high degree of precision, whether it's in a formula or a perfectly weighted pass, and strategic thinking is paramount. Developing these forms of mastery involves distinct training paths. Excel proficiency is built through countless hours of working with data, experimenting with functions, and solving real-world problems. It's a continuous learning curve, often involving mastering over 100 different functions. Zidan's legendary skill was forged through rigorous physical training, tactical drills, and competitive matches, refining his touch and strategic understanding over many years. Both require persistent effort and adapting to new challenges. Finally, let's consider their impact. Mastery in Excel empowers individuals and organizations to make informed decisions, streamline operations, and present data with clarity, affecting countless business outcomes. Zidan's impact on football is legendary, marked by iconic goals and leadership that inspired generations of fans and players worldwide. Both demonstrate how dedicated pursuit of excellence in a chosen field can lead to profound and lasting contributions, shaping their respective worlds in significant ways.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.